How to save view once photo and video on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save view once photos and videos on WhatsApp. WhatsApp doesn't allow you to save photos and videos that are set to view once. But you'll be able to use the screen recording feature or screen recorder application on your device in order to do so. If your device has screen recording system, then you can access it and tap on screen record. But if you don't have that, you may also download screen recorder application from the Google Play Store and then use it. Now once you have done that, open your WhatsApp and navigate to the chat containing view once media. You will need to start the screen recording before opening the media. Open the chat and here start the screen recording. Once you have started it, now you can tap on this view once photo or video to view it. You can now stop the recording after viewing. After stopping the recording, now the video will be saved in your device gallery. You can go ahead and check your gallery in order to access that. Also note that some built-in screen recorders may result in a black screen when trying to record view once content. So you will need to choose the right screen recorder in order to do so. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.